When I was a teenager, my father, who is into market since long period of time, he used to discourage me. He used to tell me that, Vivek, market is a place where there is a lot of speculation and a lot of scams, so you should not think about getting into the market. Why don't you become qualified and think of doing a job in Bombay? Well, he was kind of right as well, because the Indian stock market during that time when he was active was full of scams. I mean, we all know Harshad Mehta and Ketan Parekh, but market is not the same anymore. And I obviously started developing my sense after I got qualified, and I realized that, well, the knowledge of stock market or financial market is quite essential part of your lifestyle. It's a life skill, and I can't afford to not to look at it. And with that vision, I got into the market, even though my father didn't like it, but I got into the market in early after my MBA, and it turned out to be one of the best decisions I have taken for myself. So as a teenager, we should develop this habit of learning financial market early. It's a life skill, and we should not run away from it, because after a point of time in your career, eventually you will have money, and you will have to learn the art of managing that money. So, this section of eLearn Markets, we are proud to present you youngsters the art of learning money, finance and stock market. These three modules are incredible modules for your overall understanding of financial market. In this section, we give you text-based free learnings through ELM School, where you understand various concepts of financial management, and also we give you these three lovely, fantastically curated, designed video course on money, finance and investments, so that you become ready to go to the next level. And hey, you guys, parents, if you are watching this, you have to have your kids, teenagers, go through these modules, because your future is also dependent on their future. So you better make them investment ready in early part of their career. You remember, Warren Buffett started at the age of 12. Do you want your kid to become one? We should all aspire, because long-term wealth creation is something which we all want at the end of the day. So I hope you guys go through all the content here and become a much better prepared teenager investor in your long-term journey. Bye-bye. Take care.